What's up everybody, Justin Fio back with another video. Today we're going to be meeting up with some 7.3 Powerstroke, a couple you've seen on the channel already and some new ones, so we should have a cool variety of trucks. So for any 7.3 fans, this will be a good one for you. So obviously in the Cummins here will be an outsider, but we should have a blast. Hope to get some rowdy content for you guys, so let me know what you think. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well as Snapchat. Without wasting any more time, let's get right to today's video.
Trailer finally. Tell us what you got done in this thing. I know we got to see it last night, but it was a little dark out, so now we got it in the sunlight.
It's a built motor truck, full concrete block. As you can see, everything's pretty much relocated to the rear.
Yeah. Still
Still a full frame truck, fiberglass clips, steel bed sides, 2 stages of spray. The truck's new to me. I didn't build it, but so I'm just kind of getting used to it, taking it slow. It's got a full funny car style cage in it.
Cool. You haven't sprayed it yet, you said?
No.
What does this thing do on fuel?
It's been 7.0 on fuel, so only room to grow from there.
7.0, but it's got a lot of secret sauce stuff in there, but super cool truck. Ran pretty good last night. What'd you do last night?
760s at 94.
Still trying to work out some kinks. It's got a lot of things that need to be tweaked and taken care of. We were kind of talking about last night, but like I said, everything's kind of located in the bed here. He's got the Mickey Thompsons all the way around. Full cage, plastic windows. Are they all plastic or just the rear?
Just the rear windows, plastic for the cage.
Okay.
This thing's badass.
Fuel cell, yeah, man. So you guys can see he's got the nitrous bottle in here, full funny car cage. It's full. The thing is stripped. It's basically just meant to go down the racetrack, but it runs pretty good.
So over here with 01 Stroker on Instagram, he's got this badass 7.3 here. You want to tell us a little bit about what you've done to it and your plans and whatnot?
Yeah, she's a stock forged rod motor. It's got twin high pressure oil pumps, some special injectors in it, 369. We're kind of going back to street duty with it, putting a fuel tank and stuff back in it, because if we look over there, we have the cut up race truck. And but yeah, so it was my first truck, that's why it's still here, and that's about all.
And I know you're originally on another set of tires, but he sent it a little too hard right before I got here. Ended up having to put his backup wheels and tires on. But what year is this?
2001. It's got a built trans, traction bars, all that kind of stuff. She's a fuel only truck, 770 12.0 bracket.
said you did have it on the dyno, correct?
Yeah, it made about 650 on fuel last time we had it on the dyno. I don't suspect it's going to make much more than that unless we start spraying it real good.
But since you've had it, it's been reliable?
Oh no, absolutely not. We send motors probably 2-3 times a year and just keep putting stock ones back in it.
So you definitely like to have some fun in this thing?
Oh yeah, yeah. We come out to blow it up every time it comes out of the shop.
So I'm sure we'll get some good clips for you guys. Just wanted to give you a quick runaround of what it is. We're all out here. It's all the 7.3s out here, so definitely the outsider here, but we got some badass trucks out here. We'll probably go over a couple more while we're here, but we'll see what kind of clips we could get, and let's see how the day goes. So you guys seen this truck on the channel before. He has made a couple other changes while we're over here, but looks a little bit different today.
Yeah, happy to be back. Didn't have my 600 horsepower glasses, so we're about 400 horsepower today. So yeah, here we are again. Just a couple changes since I've last seen everybody, but last time I was over here we had a 369 SXE. Now we have a 472 SXE with a 110 hot side. Turbo blanket on the back there, but overall pretty much the same setup from last time, just changes up the tunes. I don't know if you saw the fuel system last time. I can show you that too. I added a sump and all that stuff, so that's all over there. But truck runs pretty good. I've tried to get on the dyno soon and take it up.
How's the new turbo feel?
New turbo's awesome, comes in really good. A little bit of a learning curve just because it's a bigger frame turbo, bigger exhaust side. I went from a 369 with a 1.0 and now it's a, like I said before, a 472 with a 110. So the power comes in a little bit higher, but it pulls pretty hard through all the gears.
It's sweet to see all these 7.3s out here though. You've seen, you know, got a good variety out here. A couple of them been on the channel already. Yes, sir. So we're over here with Mitch, who actually has this 7.3 also, and he is from New Jersey. He just came down to Florida, so wanted to give a quick little recap on this truck here as well. So what exactly got done to this?
Too much to start. I'll start with the suspension. I have 07 axles, both front, rear, so it rides real nice, rides like a Cadillac. Super single Alcoas, 22 by 14. I don't think they are milled, but I'm just gonna send it. Most of this stuff I've done all by myself in my garage at home. Well, my buddy's garage, Steve Lappy, and shit ton of motor work done. So.
Let's check it out.
Manual trans, so I can't race.
What year is this?
94 and a half. So I got the S472.9091 housing on it, irate kit, 350 over 200 fuel injectors. Right now I'm running a stage 1 CNC H-pop. I had duals on it, but it wasn't working right, so I just took it off for the time being. Beehive valve springs, push rods, head studs. Bottom end is stock for now. That'll be coming pretty soon. 444 fab, fuel kit, and
so it's got a lot of goodies under here.
Yeah, plenty. There's stuff I'm forgetting, but that's the main.
Any other plans performance-wise? Are you pretty happy with where it's at right now?
I actually just ordered rods for this thing, so pretty soon in the next few months, it's coming back out. Going to be fully bulletproof, maybe
Sweet.
Sprayed a little bit.
Oh shit!
So we'll see.
And in the sense of the flatbed, has it always had a flatbed on it? Did you put it on?
No, the truck originally was green, like a really nice green. I sold the bed because I was broke for 600 bucks, then drove around for a whole year, no bed. Bought a parts truck, blew it up, and then I was like, all right, I'll just put the flatty on my truck.
Yeah, no, it looks good.
So, yeah, I got plenty of plans. I wanted to stain the wood before I came out here, but didn't have the time.
Step by step, it's all part of the game.
Yep.
Thank you guys for watching. No matter what truck you drive or prefer, you always got to have some respect for a good old 7.3 Powerstroke, especially when it comes down to performance. I feel like there's not many on the road, so when I get a chance to see them, I love checking them out. I hope you guys did as well. If there's anything specifically you guys want to see more on, maybe on the drag truck or anything there, leave that down in the comments below. We're currently waiting on a bunch of parts for my 0559, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that. But otherwise, please don't forget, like, subscribe, turn the bell for notifications, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.